you guys? Welcome to the channel. Today we have something that sucks. Literally sucks.
Say hello to my little friend. We were just watching Scarface, up here. It's a good movie, man. I don't know if you get. Who has not seen that movie?
Seriously, a lot of people haven't seen that movie. Man. And now we had to take time out of our busy day of watching Scarface to share products with you.
But this is actually a great one to share because we've been using this thing. I like it. We've had a lot of experience with RIDGID over the years with vacuums. Some of the best vacuums out there, I think, for like a contractor or to have run a shop or the house or car, all sorts of things.
RIDGID, you guys, I mean, RIDGID's a kind of a crazy brand, right? There's RIDGID tools at Home Depot, and then there's just RIDGID, and then there's like some RIDGID Professional somewhere, and it's like, you know, this is the non-Home Depot brand because of the colors, right? Mm-hmm. The orange and the gray are the Home Depots. Yeah. These are available in different outlets. Still same RIDGID quality. All right, so it's a 12-gallon, you guys. It has an 8-foot suction hose and a what cord? 15 foot cord. Does come with accessories. Most vacs do come with accessories. Obviously you get your
floors,
wide area floor, you get your crevice tool, and you get your water suction. Yep. It does suck water pretty fast, you guys. When you do suck water, you do not want to have a bag in there, and it's a good idea to take your filter off too. I'll show you how that accomplished. Cool thing is too, is I'm liking these latches, you guys. You basically just bump, and then your whole top unit comes off. Now, the cool thing about this is, remember how there used to be a screw here?
Some still do, RIDGID doesn't.
Yeah, well that's their quick system.
Yeah.
So basically just to replace this basically just pulls off and you just stick on a new one and it's got enough force to keep it on there.
What pulls off? The filter?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, which is cool, which is easy because you know you spin that thing, you lose it. Sometimes you hear it waggling around in there, your filter fell. And it has an oversized...
Here's the good thing is actually I was telling you, I got the Craftsman one and I was in the basement and we just got done doing a bunch of concrete work and I was picking it up, vacuumed everything up, looked behind me, the whole basement is just filled because I didn't realize that the filter actually fell off.
Oh.
So all it was doing was sucking it in and blowing it right out the back.
Come on, we've all had that where we've turned on a shop vac and it's just blown dust out. That's crazy. That's why if you do use it in a drywall situation, you definitely want a bag. Mm-hmm. You definitely want a bag. And I know what you guys are saying, bags are expensive, blah, blah, blah.
No,
you can't always...
I used to think the same thing, but after you do it in the house, I'm sold on just using nothing but
bags are so worth it unless you're using Festool. Then it's worth sucking. See, you got to do a dual job. You got to fill up the bag and then you got to suck out the bag because the bag's so expensive. Plus, they're not readily available. But with RIDGID, the NXT line, loving it. Good stuff, you guys. You can buy this online. I'm liking it. I think it's pretty good. Amazon, probably?
Yeah, probably.
I don't know. Lowe's?
Dude, these mosquitoes. Man, we got so many bugs in this place. We got to get like that Orkin or whatever that is.
Yeah. Does that bug you? That was your joke. I stole that from you when we were a kid. Eric was doing his windows with bugs, and he's like, "This really bugs me." Remember that?
I don't.
Yeah.
It's such an amazing joke. I'm surprised I don't remember.
I know. It was a good joke.
Like,
it was a good joke. I was like, I put two and two together.
I could go on the road with that one.
Yeah. You guys, what do you guys think of RIDGID vacuums? Comment below. I mean, a lot of people are making vacuums now, but RIDGID is a dominant force in the scene. You know, you see them on a lot of job sites, and they just get beat, and they just last. And the price is right.
Like I say, the one thing that surprises me about this vacuum is the casters on it. The casters are very small, very thin, and I thought when I'd go over the power cord to pull it, most of the times the vacuums fall over. This actually rolled right over it because that's my biggest pain, my biggest pet peeve with vacuums. They tip, and then the ball gets stuck or whatever. Something goes on there, and you hear that real high noise, and it doesn't suck in. So you got to turn it off, let it reset, and go with it. So
yeah, the hoses lock in, you guys, so you don't have a problem pulling it out.
Which is good, yes, because I have other vacuums where you pull. And it doesn't have that lagging system, the hose always comes out.
The hose always comes out. So they're doing things right. They're thinking. They got it down pat. Check it out, you guys. Don't forget to comment. Don't forget to go over to Instagram. Check out our Instagram. And don't forget to subscribe and click like and start the conversation. We read what you say. We just don't reply. Tools in action. No, I'm kidding. We will reply.
Yeah.
Eric does. That's his whole job now.
It's been my job since... I'm still on 2008 comment.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Is that why you're sitting in an office just waiting for that first comment to come through?
Yeah, I'm waiting. I swear, dude. That very first one.
Wouldn't it be funny if it was just, dude, all of a sudden, it's just like, all of a sudden.
The first one's like,
waiting for his comment. That's your job. You're just sitting there all day, first comment to answer.
Oh my God, I had a job like that. I worked for as a PPC company. It was the worst. It was hell. You had 3 screens in front of you. You have information from this screen to this screen to this screen. I'm talking about Oh my God, I won't even get into it.
Can't do it.
hell.
Can't do it. Peace out, you guys. Get into the trades. They pay, and there's a shortage of tradies. Take it easy.
For more exciting tool action, go to toolsinaction.com.